If you're seeing the message too many Telegram attempts, please try again later. Don't panic. This is a common login issue, and in most cases, it is temporary. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it safely, what not to do, and how to get back into Telegram without making the problem worse. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. First, the most important thing to understand is that every new login attempt can reset the temporary security cooldown timer. So if you keep trying again and again, you may actually extend the wait instead of fixing it faster. The best first step is to stop trying to log in immediately and let the cooldown period pass. In many cases, this can take up to 24 hours, so patience really matters here. While you wait, don't spam the app, don't keep requesting new codes, and don't try multiple times from the same device over and over. That can trigger more security checks and delay your access even longer. Now, while the timer is running, the next thing you should do is check whether Telegram is having server issues. Open your browser and search for "Is Telegram down?" Then click on the Downdetector results and look at the live outage reports. If a lot of users are reporting problems, then the issue may not be with your account at all. In that case, the best fix is simply to wait until Telegram's servers are working normally again. This is an important step because it saves you from wasting time changing settings when the real problem is on Telegram's side. If the servers look fine and you're still stuck, then the third step is to change your network connection. Disconnect from your current Wi-Fi or router network and switch to a mobile hotspot or a different internet connection. This changes your IP address, which can help if Telegram has temporarily flagged your current network. Sometimes a different network is enough to let the login process go through normally again. After switching networks, try opening Telegram one more time and check whether the login screen behaves differently. If it does, continue carefully and avoid repeated fast attempts. The goal is to make one clean attempt instead of many failed ones. If the error still appears, go back to waiting rather than forcing it. The safest approach is always to let the security cooldown expire, confirm that Telegram is not down, and then test a new network connection once. That combination fixes the issue for many users without causing any extra account problems. One quick tip: if you're using a VPN, try turning it off before logging in. Telegram may sometimes treat VPN traffic as unusual activity, which can contribute to verification problems. Also, make sure your device date and time are set automatically, because incorrect time settings can sometimes interfere with login verification. So to recap, the fix is simple. Stop repeated login attempts, check Downdetector for Telegram outages, and change your internet connection if needed. In most cases, that is enough to get past the too many attempts message. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.